Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is still in the range between the previous swing high that formed on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, and the 50% Fibonacci retracement in this current wave 4. The idea was yesterday that maybe wave 4 bottomed already, and I shared with you two, let's say, microstructures. Either that we're already in the breakout in wave 5, it certainly looked like that, and it could still be the case. But if that's the case, then we're likely still in wave 2, and it's, it could be, because this is for me more like a 3-wave move up. It looks more like an ending diagonal that could be unfolding, yeah. So like that. So wave 5 would be an ending diagonal. Or this was a B wave top, because the location where this topped looks like a B wave. Actually, this looks like a 5-wave move up, but it could be within the blue B wave, like A wave down and then A, B, C, and B. And now we're moving down in C before we go higher. Either way, I mentioned to you yesterday that we had a really good reaction to our support zone. It is possible, certainly, that wave 4 bottomed and we are already in the breakout, but then it's not very clear yet. And I think we had a 20-25% move from the upper boundary line of our support zone, which is really good. So anybody who scaled in would probably have at least got one position there and profited from that rally. It was a decent move, especially within one day, from, well, you could say from the low that was actually that formed here at 27 cents all the way to that 38 cent level. Is quite a decent move. However, we couldn't get the breakout done. I think Bitcoin's weakness came in and weekend stuff, and just sideways consolidation, typical wave 4 weekend. And we're now possibly on our way to test support. I mean, I currently assume this is the B wave top, so we've topped there in blue wave B, and we are back on our way into the support region, which isn't bearish. It would just be another opportunity, because the 3-wave move down, which I labeled actually a WXY structure, as you can see here, WXY, morphed into a larger wave 4, as far as I can tell. Wave 4s often evolve, these structures, and at the moment this can be seen as an ABC structure in blue. If the wave 4 already bottomed, well, then we should avoid a break below the Friday low, right? Because that's the invalidation point. But I said now, because this exactly topped where a B wave would form a top, I assume this blue wave 4 is unfolding, which would be another opportunity. I wouldn't short this, but it would be another opportunity, in my opinion, for those who either missed an entry here, want to get positioned again, to look for another position. Yeah. That said, at the moment there is no sign a low is in, and actually, based on the microstructure, we would expect this to go a little lower then, if this is indeed the blue C wave down. However, there's always a level that would indicate an early breakout, which would be a move above resistance. So we have a micro resistance area here. These are the levels that matter, between 34.4 cents and 36.5 cents, which means if we break above the 36.5 cent level, then it would indicate we're in a direct breakout, because it shouldn't, this blue wave 2 should not break above the 36.5 cent level in this instance. Yeah, it's too high. It's too high for a wave 2. I mean, it's valid again, but at some point probabilities shift towards a direct breakout. And again, I'm not ruling out, but that we are in the breakout already. But as I always say, these micro counts, they are not so important. They just give us the levels. So this is the support area, which defines the current bullish, short-term bullish scenario, in which we can say that we're looking overall for higher prices in this wave 5, as long as we're holding above 23 cents. The price already showed a reaction. Okay, could not yet break out, so the support region remains relevant, which means another test of support could be another opportunity. And now that we have the possibility to test this area again, any break above that micro resistance would reduce the likelihood that we will test the support area again, and would rather emphasize that we are in a direct breakout. And the next upside levels to watch, in case you didn't miss or you didn't watch the previous videos or you missed them. The next upside levels to watch are 47 cents and 64 cents. Yeah, that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.